up everybody and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 10. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm just baking. I have two things that I'm going to be baking here. But yeah, we're just going to be baking. I have these lactation cookies that I bought like a minute ago and I never made them. So I'm going to make those, and then I'm also going to try to make some banana bread. Chocolate chip banana bread. On the recipe it says yellow cake and I only have white, and I feel like it is going to make a difference, but I'm still going to use the white cake because I'm savage. It says that the first thing that you need to do for the banana bread is mash the bananas. So I'm going to put them in a bowl and I'm going to mash them up.
We'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come. Yeah, let it come.
Okay, and then the next thing it says to do is add some cake mix.
I can see.
So I'm gonna add white chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. So I'm just gonna put like this. In the video that I'm watching, they used 2 of these when they made it, and I only have 1. So I'm gonna try to make some into muffins too.
Every time of year, it's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
For these lactation cookies that I got here, I got them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. It says you literally just need 1 egg and a thing of butter that I just stuck my finger in, no problem.
Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it. White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.
Okay, I also want to know, so I started doing, I feel like, Christmas things very early, and I'm still in the Christmas mode, but I'm also thinking about the fact that January is right around the corner. And like, that's all I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about like making a new vision board, and I'm thinking about like my new goals, like what's next year gonna be like. I'm literally thinking so much less about Christmas and more so like past Christmas. So I want to know, like, have you guys started thinking about like 2021, or are you guys just like caught up on Christmas and you don't think about like, yeah, New Year's plans until it like is really here? Yeah, so comment down below like which one you guys are, because I'm definitely like thinking about the future right now. All I can think about is all of the amazing things that January is gonna bring.
Have a Christmas with.
Okay, so now that everything's like laid out, honestly, it was really easy, probably too easy. I'm gonna add some more chocolate chips on top of everything. Well, on top of the banana breads at least.
It's Christmas today.
You just check this shit off.
So I'm gotta put my little lactation cookies in. This is how they turned out. Hopefully they come out okay, but these ones are supposed to go in for 15 minutes.
So I can't have none of those cookies?
Huh? Yeah, you can. They're not.
Oh wait, they're oatmeal?
It's just cookies, babe.
They're oatmeal.
Okay, and then this is how my banana bread looks. Ooh.
Ooh.
And this is how my little banana muffins look. I'll see you guys back when the muffins are done and we'll taste test them together.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And
hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him.
In her car seat or what?
Taste test. That's actually not bad at all. That's really good, actually.
I can guarantee.
Taste test.
What?
It just tastes like a banana
Yeah.
muffin.
Again,
I
I
mean,
think,
like,
I
yeah.
think I'm expecting more flavor, and then it's just like, but it is fluffy, crispy at the same time. Texture-wise, it's cooked to perfection. I think flavor-wise, I'm thinking for a different flavor. But consistency, you can see it's perfect.
It's a beautiful muffin.
Fluff. Look at the bite.
Do you guys see that white chocolate in there?
You know, brown chocolate.
And that's
That
her
crying baby.
Good job, baby.